In this tutorial, I will be demonstrating you how to make a digital clock in Python. Let's get started. So let's get started with creating a new file. Name it digital clock.py. Collapse this, Control B, and first we will import some modules like from Kinter, import star. So you can easily install this by writing pip install Kinter in the terminal. And now we will import from time, import strf time to get the current time. So let's create a window. So we'll write root equals to Kinter Kinter.tk. So it will create a window, and we will set the root dot title as my clock, and now run the window. You write root dot main loop, and this will create our clock. And before this we will write root dot configure, and here we will write background. To set its background, we will set here black, and let's try to run this. It will create a window, just a black color window. You can see this, and it displays my clock. So further we will display time here. So we will create a label variable, label equals to label, and here we will set the root, then font equals to, it should be in parentheses. Here we will write Futura bold, which is a font, and let's set the font size as 35, and foreground, let's say cyan color would be good, and foreground is actually the text color, and background color will be black. And let's pack this label dot pack, and here we will set the anchor as center. So now we will create a time function, def time. Here we will store the current time in the current underscore time variable. We will write strf time, and here we will get the current, hour, mode h, mode m, and mode s to get the current hour, minutes and second, and then to get the am or pm in percentage p. So now we will call that like label, which is a variable, dot configure text equals to current time. And now we will write label dot after 1 second, that is 1000 nanoseconds, it will call the time function. So what actually happens here is, after every 1 second it will change the time, that is every 1 second the time will change. Okay, so we will write here the time function. We will call the time function here. So this is how we will call this function. Let's try to run this program. So you can see it displays the title, root title, and current time. So this is how we can make a very easy clock, and you can even set the icon of this window, like writing root dot icon bitmap, and here you can specify the path of that image, and it will specify that. So that's all for this video, and thank you, and meet you in the next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe, that like button. Thank you.
Thank you for watching, and please subscribe the channel.